How to create a free website with free hosting and domain. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own professional website with free domain and free web hosting. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to a platform known as bluehost.com. Bluehost.com is one of the very famous web hosting platform that allows you to create your own websites with an easy to use drag and drop editor. It also gives you an opportunity to simply get a domain name free with your plan, and you also get your own WordPress hosting. So it's all in one platform with all of these different features and tools. So what you have to do is you will simply go to bluehost.com and register. Simply sign up or log in. The signing up process is really easy. You can simply create an account with your email address or your Google account. After that, you simply have to select a plan. So you can see right here when it comes to the plans, and the plans just start from $2.95. And in this plan, we actually get our own domain name and we also get our own free web hosting. So no other platform actually gives you this opportunity to kind of like create your own website and get your own domain name within one basic plan. So you can see right here, you can actually get a domain name for free with just $3. It's like round about $3. And then you can simply go ahead and also buy other plans if you want to create more than one website. So we can create unlimited website with this plan right here, which is $5.45 per month. And then we also have a choice plus. So you can simply go with the basic one, or if you want to create more than one website, you can go with a plus plan. Simply select a plan. Once you do that, after that, you will be able to sign up. You simply create a domain name. So the first step is getting a domain name, which is going to be completely free with Bluehost. You can see right here, if we talk about the domain names, all of the domain names are available, such as .com, .net, .org, .website, .info, and all of the others. So let's go with .com and type in the name for our website. So let's say this is the name I'm going with. I actually just wrote very random name. Now you can see if it's available, then I will be able to get it. And if it's not available, then I will be suggested with a lot of other names. So you can see right here, this domain name is available. You can see whatever I typed, I just typed the social guide YouTube channel and it's like .com is available. Let me actually give you an idea. If your domain name is not available, what you should do. So let's go with a very famous name of business. Let's say your business is called Meta maybe. So simply click on next, and there you go. They're saying that meta.com is not available. So what you will do is you can simply go ahead and get other options such as echo meta.online, maybe data meta.store, metahost.site. So these are the different options we get when we're creating a website with Bluehost. So that's how we simply choose a domain name on Bluehost. So that's about the domain name. Let me actually show you how we do web hosting using Bluehost. When it comes to web hosting, we will be able to host any kind of website with our Bluehost, and Bluehost works really good with WordPress, and we get our own website builder. If we talk about the website builder, where you will be creating your website, we get different options such as different themes and templates. There are hundreds of different templates to choose from. Then we will be able to simply custom CSS. We will be able to manage it. There is a stock image library. We can get all of different images. Then we have editing option, simple drag and drop, very easy to use. Custom fonts are available, unlimited uploads, very easy templates. Again, very secure web hosting. So, and we can also access our WordPress with just one click. So we will be getting all of these different options right here in the website builder. So if you're wondering how you will be able to create a website, well, creating a website is really easy. And again, you're just getting this plan in $2.95 per month, and you're getting a domain name, web hosting, and more right here on Bluehost. So that's how you simply do it. If you're doing WordPress hosting, so what are the different features we get? You can simply go to WordPress and WordPress hosting. you will land here. And with WordPress hosting, you get resources and tools specifically designed to help you get the most out of your WordPress website. Again, you will be able to integrate your WordPress, you will be able to add your templates, a free domain name, then there is automatic WordPress updates. Microsoft 365 is available as well, and free domain for 1 year. So if you're wondering that we're paying for monthly, right, we're gonna pay $3 per month, but the domain name is actually available for 1 year, so you will not pay for the domain name. And when we talk about the domains can be really expensive sometimes, and like we're talking about the domain names such as .com, so they're very expensive. You can see right here, .com is actually $12, around about like $13. Then we have .net, which is $19. .tech is $5. .blog is $23, and website is $2. So these are the different, prices for the domain names, but we're not paying that because we're getting a free domain name. After that, we can also create an online store with our Bluehost. So if you're wondering to create an online store rather than just creating a blog website or just a simple website, you can create an online store right here, but the pricing for store is going to be different than the basic website that you will be creating, but all of the different tools are available. Then we're also getting a Microsoft 365, so we will be able to get our own business email with our Bluehost. So that is why I wanted to show you this platform, because it has all the features for you: a business email, a web hosting, and then we are getting our own domain name, so you don't have to switch between different platforms, and you will not have to kind of like hop from one platform to another in order to create a website and manage it. Similarly, we can add a lot of different integrations through our website. We can integrate our Gmail, we can integrate our PayPal, we can add booking integrations, Amazon, Yoast for SEO, Instagram. So all of these different integrations are available as well that will help you customize your Bluehost experience, and you will be able to grow your business very easily and run a successful professional website with Bluehost. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get a free domain name and web hosting, how you can simply go ahead and get everything in just simple pricing in one plan with very easy platform. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.